How to watch Netflix with Expressvpn. I'm going to tell you how you can watch Netflix with Expressvpn. First, you need to get Expressvpn first, or simply search for expressvpn.com. Click on Get Expressvpn, and from here, select your preferred deal. And as you may see, each of them actually gives a 7-day free trial. So you just have to select your preferred option. You will then be asked to enter your email and of course your preferred payment method. Once you have it all done, connect to a server from a country that you want. You will then get an email confirming your purchase, and then all you have to do is log into your Netflix account and then stream as much as you want.